Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to improve your internet browsing experience with a fast, stable, and secure connection, you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through how to create a 30-day UDP request server, a great option for anyone looking to maintain privacy and security while browsing on Android. This video is for educational purposes only. Please use VPNs and tunneling apps responsibly, and always follow your local laws and internet providers' policies. Step 1. Open your preferred browser and type sshudp.online, press enter. From the search results, make sure to select the official SSH UDP online website. Step 2. On the homepage, tap the menu icon, usually at the top right corner. Scroll down and select 30 Days UDP Premium. Then, tap on 30 Days UDP Request Server. You'll now see a list of available servers. Choose one that best suits your location and needs, then click on it to proceed. Step 3. You'll be directed to a quick registration form. Create a username and password. Complete the reCAPTCHA to verify you're human. Tap the Create button. It may take a few seconds to complete the process. Once your server is created, you'll be shown important connection details such as the username, password, and host. Make sure to copy and save these details, you'll need them shortly. Step 4. Head over to the Google Play Store. Search for SocksIP Tunnel and install the app. Once installed, open the app. Go to Settings. Choose the UDP request protocol. Paste the server details you copied earlier into the correct fields. Step 5. Now that everything is configured, return to the app's main screen. Tap the Connect button. Party popper, and that's it. You've successfully set up your 30-day UDP request server. You're now ready to enjoy private, secure, and optimized internet access on your Android device. If you found this video helpful, thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. Outbox tray, share it with your friends. Bell, subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials and VPN guides. Speech balloon, have questions? Drop them in the comments, I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.